Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can invite members to your group on Google Groups. So let us get started. So guys, head over to Google Groups, navigate to the group list, select the given group. Here guys, there are two ways how you can invite someone. So one option would be to use that button here to the right, add members, next to the given group. So you can click into it and then, for example, invite the user by using the group member name here, and then send an invitation message and send the invite there. Alternatively, you may left click into the given group. Then if you're the admin, for example, and have access to the member list, you can navigate to members here. And here guys, you will see that add members button at the top, and that is going to lead you to the same field here. So you can enter the username or the email address of the member to be, or you'd like to invite. Click into send invites here. And there's also guys the option to directly add members. However, bear in mind that this option can be disabled, for example, by the invitees in their group or in the global settings, so that they don't allow, for example, externals to add them directly. So this option may not always work if the given or if the invited user has blocked the opportunity or the option to be added directly. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.